Hello, everyone. Welcome to our educational journey into the exciting world of military aviation and iconic aircraft. Today, we are going to explore one of the most recognizable and successful fighter jets ever built. Prepare to learn all about the legendary F-16 Fighting Falcon, a true marvel of engineering and design.
But what exactly is the F-16? It's much more than just a fast plane.
The F-16 is a highly versatile multi-role fighter jet, capable of undertaking many different kinds of missions. Multi-role means it can perform various tasks, from engaging enemy aircraft in the sky to attacking ground targets. It excels at achieving air superiority, fighting other planes, and controlling the airspace above a battlefield.
Concurrently, it's also highly effective for close air support and strategic ground attacks, hitting land-based objectives.
Let's uncover the fascinating origin story of this impressive aircraft, tracing its development and initial purpose. The F-16 was conceived and developed in the United States, a result of forward-thinking military strategy. Its journey began in the early 1970s, during a period of innovation in military aviation technology. It emerged from a program known as the Lightweight Fighter (LWF) competition. The primary goal was to create a smaller, more affordable, and highly maneuverable fighter jet. The brilliant engineers at General Dynamics were the masterminds behind its initial design and construction. The very first flight of the F-16 prototype, designated YF-16, successfully took place in 1974.
This pivotal moment marked the beginning of a new era in fighter aircraft design and performance capabilities.
Now, let's delve into some of the groundbreaking and unique design features that make the F-16 so special.
Powering this incredible machine is a single, extremely powerful turbofan engine, delivering immense thrust.
Unlike some larger jets, the F-16 is specifically designed for a single pilot, optimizing its sleek profile. The pilot's cockpit is topped with a distinctive frameless bubble canopy, a truly innovative design element. This unique bubble canopy provides the pilot with an unparalleled and unobstructed 360-degree field of view. The F-16 was one of the first aircraft to extensively use advanced fly-by-wire flight control technology. This means computers precisely translate the pilot's commands into actual movements of the aircraft's surfaces. This computer-aided system grants the F-16 truly exceptional agility and responsiveness during flight. Its design emphasizes high maneuverability, allowing it to outmaneuver many opponents in aerial combat. When it comes to speed, the F-16 is a true champion, capable of reaching speeds exceeding Mach 2. To put that in perspective, Mach 2 is more than twice the incredible speed of sound. Beyond speed, let's explore the formidable array of weaponry this fighter jet can carry into battle. The F-16 is designed to be highly customizable, capable of carrying a wide array of armaments on its hardpoints. For air-to-air engagements, it's equipped with various advanced missiles like the AIM-9 Sidewinder and AIM-120 AMRAAM. For ground attacks, it can deploy a versatile range of smart bombs, conventional bombs, and precision-guided munitions. Additionally, an internal 20mm M61 Vulcan rotary cannon provides powerful close-range firepower against targets. The F-16 has earned a very famous and well-known nickname among the pilots who fly it. They affectionately refer to this powerful jet as the Viper, a testament to its striking presence. This nickname originated because its sleek, aggressive, and somewhat menacing design resembles a viper snake. The Fighting Falcon has achieved truly incredible global success and widespread adoption across continents. It currently serves with distinction in the air forces of over 25 countries worldwide, a testament to its reliability. So why is it so incredibly popular? A key reason is its legendary reliability and robust design. It consistently offers very high performance capabilities at a relatively lower operational cost compared to other advanced fighters. Furthermore, it is designed to be relatively easier to maintain in the field than many more complex modern jets. Throughout its long service life, the F-16 has been continually upgraded and modernized with new technologies.
Newer versions boast advanced radar systems, sophisticated avionics, and improved weapon integration capabilities. Even today, decades after its introduction, the F-16 remains a powerful, relevant, and highly capable fighter in active service.
The F-16 Fighting Falcon truly stands as an unparalleled icon in the annals of aviation history and military power. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey to understand the enduring legacy of the F-16.